everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with another interesting video where I will show you how you can send messages on Snapchat without adding the person as a friend. So if you want to send messages to non-friend, you can do that as well on Snapchat by using this new updated method. So make sure you watch the video till the end and now let's get started. Alright, first of all, you need to open the Snapchat app and I will use my two accounts to show you how you can send messages to someone without adding them as a friend. Alright, so first of all, just open the Snapchat app and then go to your chat section. Here you will get the option to add any of the person that are in your contacts in your phone contacts, but you haven't added them on Snapchat. So this could be one possibility that you want to message any of these contacts. If you want to do that, you simply have to tap on the person's name, all right? And this will open up their chat box as you can see, but you need to add this person as a friend so that they can see your story. Alright, so you can still send them a message. You can type any message and send them, but there is a condition that if they will receive this message or not, that depends on their settings. Alright, so I will show you what should be there in their settings. So I will go back, I will go to the settings section, and now here in the option privacy controls, contact me, this should be set as everyone. If the person you are sending the message to has set this as everyone, only then they are going to receive your message. Otherwise, the message will not show in their chat box. Alright, you will be able to send the message from here, but they will never receive it if they have set it to friends or friends and contacts. Alright, but yeah, in case if you are in their phone contacts and they have selected this option, then they will surely receive your snap message. All right, so this is what the setting is about. If they have selected everyone, only then, or if you are in their phone contacts and if they have selected friends and contacts, only then they will receive the message you will send them without adding as a friend. If you are sending your message to a random stranger, they should have set everyone, only then they are going to receive it. So I hope this is clear with you. All right, the other possibility is that someone has removed you as a friend on Snapchat. Now you want to send them a message, you can do that as well very easily. I will show you how. You just need to search for their username right here. So I searched for this particular person because I remember their username, all right, the Snapchat username. Now you can see the add button right here that I haven't added them as my friend. I will simply tap on their name. This will open the chat box, all right. Now what you need to do is simply send them a message. So that's my another account and I will show you if I will receive this message or not. So I have sent this message right here, and as you can see on my other device, I have received this new chat from my another account. All right, so I have received this message, even I haven't added the person as my friend, and as you can read the message right here that I have just sent. Hello, how are you? The same message. All right, and you can also see the add blue button at the top, and at the bottom the other person will get the option to block you. So for example, if you are just harassing someone, they will directly block you. So Snapchat gives you that option as well. But if in case they want to add you as a friend, they can simply tap on the add button. All right, that was all about sending messages to someone whom you haven't added as a friend on Snapchat, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you have any suggestions for my next video, you can mention that down as well in the comment section down below, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So yeah, I will see you in my next video.